Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Waste IT Solution to all of you again, and today we'll discuss how to download and install Java 17 in our system. Okay, so nowadays Java 17 is most popular. All are trying to install Java 17. For these things I am preparing this video. So here we will see step by step how we can download and install JDK 17 in Windows 11 operating system. Okay, so in this laptop, Windows 11 is already installed. So you can see here, just go to properties, and you can see here the Windows version is Windows 11 Home single language. Okay, so Windows 11 already installed in this system. So we will now see how we can download and install JDK 11 in the Windows operating system. So first we need to check whether there is Java installed or not. So go to the command prompt, and here type here Java C. That means here it is showing Java C is not recognized as an internal or external command. That means Java is not installed. So just we need to go to the browser and type here download Java or JDK 17. So just go to the site Java 17 downloads. So this will download from this oracle.com website, and just go to the down. Here you can see the Java development kit 17.0.10. Okay, so we have the here also Java 17 0.9, different versions are there. So according to whichever you record, you can download any one of them. Okay, so the different versions of Java 17 also there. Okay, so as per your requirement you can download. So I am just downloading Java 17.0.10. So here Windows 64, yes, Windows 64. Here is Mac operating system for Linux, different URL was there. So now I am click on this URL Windows x64 installer. Okay, so you can see here it is already in 154 MB is downloading. Just wait, I have already downloaded before also, and again I am downloading to show you exactly how it is downloading and how we can start installation. So just wait for some time. It is depending upon your internet speed, how much time it will take. Okay, so it is downloaded now. Just go to this folder location. Okay, so here it is downloaded. Previously I prepared this video for Java 11. You can see also this video already in YouTube. So now I have downloaded the JDK 17, and I will show you now how can we install it. Okay, just double click on it. Since there is no Java installed now, directly we can install it. If there is Java installed any version, you need to uninstall it before uninstall it first. Then you need to try downloading and install this new version. Okay. It is preparing for installation. Just wait for some time. Yes, it's preparing to install. Welcome to the installation wizard. Okay, next. It is in this directory, it is actually installing. So just click on next. You can change also the location where you want to install. You can change here by clicking on this change. You can mention the exact path where you want to install. So okay, so I am installing this default path only. Next. So it is installing. Just wait for a moment. It is in progress now. You can see here it is in progress. Yes. So Java development kit 17.0 successfully installed. Close. So this window now you can check in your command prompt cmd Java C. Just type Java C. If Java is installed, yes, it is now recognized that command. Now that means Java is already installed. So which version installed? You can check here like Java hyphen version. So after Java 8, in Java 11, Java 17, there is no mandatory of environmental variable set, but you can, if you want, you can set the environmental variable also. So you need to go to the, I am showing you how you can set the environmental variable, because sometimes it may be showing error in some IDE within the program. So just go to this installation directory, see program files, Java, here you can see Java 17, and in bin. So you need to set this bin path. The program file Java JDK 17 bin. Just copy this path and open the environmental variable. Just go to the environmental variable, and in path section, in system variable section, there is a path. So in path section, before already I have installed this JDK 11 I have set it, so you can remove this thing and delete also, and just create new and paste this path program file Java JDK 17 slash bin. Click on OK, OK, and OK. Now this path is also set, so you can cross check also again, cmd Java C. Yes, you can see already it is now recognized, and version is Java hyphen version. Now Java version 17.0.10 is already installed, you can see here, and this build version is also Java 17.0.10 and 64-bit server. Okay, so that means now Java 17 is successfully installed in our system. So in this way you can download and install Java 17 in Windows 11 operating system. Okay, so in the Windows, you can also follow this video for Windows 10 or any other operating system also, because this step is same for all operating system. Okay, so thank you guys, and if you got some idea from this video, please like and share the video, and please subscribe the channel, by which I can motivate myself and make more and more video like this topic. Okay, so thank you guys.